Start. It is totally contradictory to the spirit of the Sachar committee, which had a very socialist approach. Stop. It is contrary, if I may submit with your permission, to the thinking of their own Prime Minister. I do not understand who is the author of this bill. Stop. I do not understand how this kind of omnibus bill without direction has been brought. Stop. This is one of the most poorly drafted pieces of legislation that I have come across. Stop. I submit that apart from these things, if the Honorable Minister may allow me to submit, I have seen in the administration of companies for smaller things, they are more particular. Stop. If a company is not filing some paper on time promptly, they will send a notice. Stop. But there are some other companies which I know of which are not repaying their depositors. Stop. Depositors are knocking at their doors. Stop. And nobody is listening to them. Stop. This kind of anomaly must be corrected, since this is a very important act in the sense that the entire corporate sector is administered by this act. If the government has any power to discipline companies, it is through this act. Stop. And if this act is treated in such a callous manner, I am at my wits end to understand how larger companies will ever come within the framework of any discipline at all. Stop. They will not. Whenever any controversy starts, we start the controversy of the public sector and the private sector. Stop. This is a needless controversy. Stop. In this country, we need the private sector and we need the public sector. Stop. In this country, we need large companies and we need small companies. Stop. Everybody must play his role as per the scheme of the constitution, as per the scheme of various resolutions. Stop. We in the opposition may or may not agree with the government's policies, but just now the government policies must adhere at least to what their own avowed objectives are. Stop. This bill does not even conform to their own pattern. Stop. It is a strange to me. I do not understand how these provisions have found their way into this bill, especially in relation to the entire corporate deposits and loans, just because a few high court judgments have clearly stated that a loan is different from a deposit. Stop. The reason you are giving is that this bill also include the provision to plug loopholes and remove some lacunae. This is not a loophole or a lacuna. Loans and deposits are two different things, but by an act of parliament, we are trying to change the context and the meaning of the entire corporations and functions. Stop. Para. Sir, I would submit that the partnership firms, proprietary firms, private limited companies are nothing but glorified partnerships, and the act should be amended in such a manner that the small private companies are kept outside the purview of this department. Stop. Only then the government department can concentrate on the really larger violations where companies have started doing badly but the balance sheet does not reflect that, with the result that more people start putting deposits and face difficulties later. Stop. There are investment companies about which the people do not know, and they do not know whether they have the approval of the Reserve Bank of India or not, and by the time the government machinery acts, a large number of people find themselves duped by these companies, and these companies cannot be stopped unless the company law department is vigilant. Stop para. But I submit that the company law department cannot be vigilant in the present system, because the present system is conducive to the harassment of the small man, and I find nothing in this amending bill which either disciplines these companies or stops the harassment of the small men or encourages the medium entrepreneur. Stop. Therefore, this bill should be rejected, and my submission to the minister through you is that if now this is referred to a select committee, at least all those of us who are interested in it can give specific suggestions. Stop. The objective is quite clear. The government wants to rationalize the whole thing. The government wants to make the Companies Act effective, and the social objectives of the government are shared by all of us, and there is no dispute about it. Stop. But look at the provision regarding abridging the balance sheet, giving less information to the shareholders on accounts. Stop. Why should the annual report contain, according to this bill, information on conservation of energy and technology observation? Are small investors interested in these subjects at all now? Will he even understand it? It is highly technical. I am sorry. I have been in business for a long time, and technology absorption is something which I have not been able to absorb at all. Stop. So, I do not know how a layman will understand that. With this kind of contradiction, I think this bill is a typically bureaucratic bill which only encourages more paperwork. It is good for the bureaucracy and the government.